Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from This Queen Crochet. Today I'm doing a little quick review on the Craft Destiny yarn ball winder. Here's a box it came in, and here is how it looks. It came with really easy instructions how to hook it up, so that was very nice. It also came with a little postcard saying thanks for all their information for the social media. It also came with a free little crochet and knit tools, and that was really awesome. I love little free gifts. So I did a lot of research trying to find a good yarn winder, a lot of reviews, Amazon, Walmart, all Joann's, whatever, a bunch of different websites, tried to find a good one. And this one was the one that I saw that had the best reviews, so I was like, let's give it a shot. And the part I love is that it was so easy to put together. The bobbin just goes right into place, super easy. This part goes into the table. And the best part that I love that I heard that other yarn winders don't have is this part, what's it called? The wire arm is that it stays in place because it comes like this, but you take it and you put it through over this little bump, this little button. I heard from a lot of other people that other yarn winders, this part does not stay up, so they kind of like hold it by hand. It's really difficult, so I like how this one has the thing that it stays in place. So here's how to use it. Let me show you guys real quick how to put it onto your table. So when you're putting it onto your table, I'm kind of just facing this part in, and I'm getting this little thing right here, making sure that it's open a bit so I can put it on. This part loosens and tightens it. Let's loose it right tighty, and you just slide that green part and this part over your table. When that's done, I'm just gonna tighten this onto my table. So I'm just gonna tighten this on until I know the yarn winder is not gonna fling around. Do a little shake to make sure that it's secure. All right. To actually use the yarn winder, I'm going to use one of my other balls that I have already wound up. The thing you're going to do is put your yarn through this little hole on the wire. As you can see, here's how it's placed. I'm going to put my yarn right through that hole. After I put it through that hole, I'm going to put it through the slit on top of the bobbin. So I'm going to have to use two hands for this. Now the yarn is through, and it's also through here. So after you do all of that, you're going to want to kind of pull it a little bit, not super tight, but have a good tension. And you're going to take the little spinny thing. Oh, make sure this is secure. Do it like a little bit slow at first. Take this, and as I hold my yarn, I'm just gonna go around. It's honestly really addicting, and I've been using this for some weeks now, and I haven't had a single issue with anything coming apart. Only thing is that I'm in a camper. The table's not secure, so my table takes a little bit, but that doesn't bother me. But I hold it not super tight, not super loose, but kind of like a little taut, and it rolls up. And it rolls up quite quickly. And after I finish winding it up, I just take the last little bit of the yarn and I just kind of put it through a few of the strands just to keep it secure. People also use hair clips, things like that, but I'm keeping it pretty simple. And after you're done, you just take it off. And what I like to do is I kind of pull the ends down, because sometimes they may want to slip. I just kind of go like this a little bit around the edges just to make sure that nothing collapses in on itself, and this helps a lot, I've noticed. So I just do that all the way around both sides, and then you also get a center pull, which is like the best thing ever. So once again, I've been using this for weeks. It's been an easy setup. I've made so many amazing cakes, and I would right now 100% recommend this to anybody. If you want it, I do have an affiliate link below to get it off of Amazon, which is where I got mine from, the same exact link. So yeah, I would recommend going and checking it out. Okay, I real quick want to show you guys how many grams of weight for yarn this can wind. So this is right about to the edge. You could do a little bit more I had before and it'll still hold. But just to keep it, you know, simple, I'm going to show you guys how many grams of yarn this is. Let me take it off the yarn winder. So about 104 grams of yarn. Once again, this is weight for yarn. Obviously it can hold a little bit more yarn, but this is like the basics. About 104 grams of yarn it can wind up, which is not a full skein. This is about I would say around a half of Red Heart Super Saver skein of yarn. It's not like a really big skein, but it can hold a good amount, especially if you have like scraps laying around. And also, if you want to learn how to do the magic knot, which is what I use to connect more than one strand of yarn when I'm making different colored cakes, definitely check out this video next, how to do the magic knot, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.